12th grade, a year that defines your future, a year where your dreams and ambitions take flight. But let's be real, it's also a year filled with anxiety, late-night study sessions, and the constant pressure of expectations. Whether it's the dream of joining a top college, making your family proud, or proving something to yourself, this is your moment to shine. But here's the good news. Achieving success isn't about being a genius or spending every waking hour buried in books. It's about having a clear strategy, staying motivated, and taking consistent action. Today, I'm here to guide you step by step through a roadmap that can transform your study routine, boost your confidence, and help you ace your exams like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll not only feel inspired, but also equipped with practical tools to conquer any challenge that comes your way. Understand the power of purpose. Before we dive into study tips and tricks, let's address the most important question. Why are you doing this? Take a moment to reflect. What drives you to work hard for your exams? Is it to secure admission to a top college, make your parents proud, or perhaps prove to yourself that you're capable of greatness? Write down your why on a piece of paper and stick it somewhere visible, on your study desk, your mirror, or even your phone wallpaper. Whenever you feel tired or demotivated, revisit your reason. Let it be the fire that fuels your journey. Pro tip: visualize your success every morning. Close your eyes and imagine yourself holding your results, your family smiling with pride, and your dreams coming true. This visualization will keep your purpose alive. Mastering the art of planning. A goal without a plan is just a wish. To achieve big things, you need a well-structured plan. Here's how you can create one. Break down your syllabus. Divide your subjects into smaller, manageable topics. For example, instead of saying, "I'll study chemistry," say, "I'll study organic chemistry chapters 1 to 3. Set realistic daily goals. Avoid overloading yourself. Aim to complete 2 to 3 topics a day with focused attention. Quality trumps quantity. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This method helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Prioritize revision. Allocate time for revision every week. The key to retaining knowledge is consistent practice and revisiting what you've learned. Track your progress. Use a planner or a simple checklist to mark off topics as you complete them. Watching your progress grow is incredibly motivating.
Active learning, the secret to retention. Here's the thing, reading textbooks over and over again won't guarantee success. You need to engage with the material actively. Here's how. Summarize in your own words. After reading a topic, close your book and try to explain it in your own words. This helps you identify gaps in your understanding. Create visual aids. Use mind maps, diagrams, and flowcharts to simplify complex topics. Visual learning is incredibly effective for memory retention. Teach what you learn. They say, if you can't teach it, you don't understand it. Teach a friend, sibling, or even an imaginary audience. This solidifies your knowledge. Use practice papers. Solve as many past papers and sample questions as you can. This not only familiarizes you with the exam pattern, but also builds your confidence. Leverage technology. Use apps like YouTube for video explanations of tough concepts. Learning doesn't have to be boring. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Let's address the elephant in the room. There will be days when you feel stuck, frustrated, or just plain exhausted. How do you overcome these hurdles? Embrace mistakes. Every mistake you make during preparation is a step closer to perfection. Don't fear failure. Use it as a learning opportunity. Celebrate small wins. Completed a tough chapter? Treat yourself to a favorite snack or a short walk. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with friends who uplift you. Follow motivational pages on social media and avoid negativity. Practice self-care. Sleep well, eat nutritious food, and exercise regularly. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask teachers, friends, or online communities for help. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Exam day strategies. The big day is here. Here's how you can perform your best. Get a good night's sleep. Avoid late-night cramming. A rested mind performs significantly better. Revise smartly. On the morning of the exam, quickly revise key formulas, concepts, or notes you've prepared. Arrive early. Reach the exam center with ample time to settle down and stay calm. Start with confidence. Begin the paper with questions you know well. This builds momentum and boosts confidence. Manage time wisely. Divide your time based on the number of questions. Leave 10 minutes at the end for review. Stay positive, believe in yourself. You've prepared for this, and you're ready to give it your best shot. Success in your 12th exams is not just about scoring high marks. It's about the discipline, perseverance, and resilience you build along the way. These qualities will stay with you for life, far beyond the exam hall. Remember, every great achiever was once a student like you, filled with doubts and fears. But they didn't let those doubts define them. They worked hard, believed in themselves, and never gave up. You have that same potential. You are capable of greatness. So go out there, give it your all, and make yourself proud. Your dreams are waiting for you. Go chase them. Let's spread the motivation. Share this video with your friends who might need a boost for their exams. And in the comments below, tell me, what's one subject or topic you're struggling with? Remember, you're not just preparing for an exam. You're preparing for a future filled with endless possibilities. Let's make it happen.